Welcome to the flood. So this is our front yard. It's all flooded right here. It's running down over into a huge puddle. Completely flooded. We're in construction a bit here. My feet are underwater. Let's go. I know, these are my wife's shoes. Oh! We're gonna go check out my neighbor's driveway because that thing gets massively flooded. The way it works in our neighborhood is this is like the ditch for all the rainwater from the road comes across our driveway, and it's supposed to be kind of a ditch going this way all the way down the street, but mine needs a little extra dirt over there so that it would stay in this area. This driveway, if he gets a few more inches, a couple more inches, it'll be all the way up to his garage door. This neighbor has it the worst. Oh dang, going all the way up, almost to the garage. No good. Oh no. See what we're like out here. Not bad. But ideally, our water would come this way and go out here to these ditches, but it just doesn't seem to be doing that. It's kind of going the wrong way. Although that guy's completely flooded, but yeah.